my YouTube friends, my name is Jay the Fangirl, and sorry about the awkward camera angles. I am here with the Padawan Jedi.
Howdy.
And that bird from Get Ready with That Bird, and then we just had a Jaybird moment.
Oh. Wait, we can't say that, he's in here. What? She's not cheating on you? What?
So today we are going to be doing Never Have I Ever challenge. Inspired by the Marky Moo. Yay.
Actually, it's been a game for a while now.
Yeah, it's been.
He just
around
popularized it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you guys are probably wondering, why aren't you at your desk, Jay? We're on a bed because this is like the only place, plus they only have 2 chairs. So means one of us is gonna stand. And I have to stand in the middle, so these 2 are gonna fight over me.
To the death. Alright, guys.
When and where I'll be there.
Basically, how Never Have I Ever works is all 3 players, all 3 of us, we're going to have our hands up like this. I'll say something like, never have I ever purposely torn a hole in my jeans. If you've done it, you put your finger down.
And whoever runs out of fingers first, or if we run out at the same time, then we're probably going to do rock, paper, scissors, and the punishment is...
To run out into the front yard and scream out, I love Donald Trump so much, I want him to have my babies.
Basically.
Yeah.
If he sees this, then I'm sorry, Mr. President.
I'm not.
I don't think he watches YouTube. It's not even low quality.
He does. He watches PewDiePie.
He does?
Wait, what?
He says, I miss the old PewDiePie on Twitter all the time.
Really?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I have no faith for my
Dude,
country.
I wonder how... Wait, I think I checked... Last time I checked, I think Donald Trump had like 40 million followers on Twitter. Okay, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Scissor me, Daddy.
Why did we all go scissors?
Because there's 2 girls in the room and you know how they do it.
Ugh.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'll stop.
Alright, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah,
Yay!
first,
And
second,
me.
third.
Okay, since it's my channel, I'm usually the one to go first. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, hold up your hands, guys. Okay. Never have I ever done a video and posted it to my channel at a con. Remember that thing that you did with the tortoise thing?
Ah, yeah, you got me there. Never have I ever done a cosplay.
I love you, but...
Never have I ever referred to myself as a hottie.
I hate you guys.
Okay, never have I ever admitted that I was bisexual. Because I'm not. Really?
What?
Aren't you bi?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hate you.
I love you too.
Oh, look at me on the 3rd wheel over here.
Never have I ever used polka dots.
Never have I ever gotten 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. By the way, congrats on that. I don't know if I ever said it, but congrats.
Yay!
I'm never gonna get there. I'll never. The day I get to 1,000 subscribers is the day I eat meat again.
Jesus.
Yep. I don't eat dead animals.
Never have I ever... Never have I ever made a video about Ben 10.
Why?
Because you're the easy target.
I'm an easy
Okay.
target.
Okay. Never have I ever made a video about me dancing.
And you liked my butt.
I've kissed your
That
butt.
is not the point here.
I've kissed your butt.
She's kissed my ass, literally.
Suck my ass. Never have I ever had freckles on my face.
Fuck you!
Oh, hey, what's this figure going at? Oh!
Never have I ever fallen down a tree. Payback, bitch!
Every day.
We're all stuck at 5 fingers now.
Oh.
High five!
No, he's got 4.
See?
Oh, shit.
I lost a pinky.
You can use your thumb.
I used to be a great adventurer till I took an arrow to the pinky.
Never have I ever wore plaid.
I've seen you in plaid.
Yeah, that blue shirt. So you just basically got yourself out.
I know. This isn't plaid. This is checkers. I have wore plaid though, but I've seen you in plaid before, so you just got one of your own fingers down.
I saw you in plaid before too.
I know.
I think I wore
So
plaid.
you have 3 fingers left.
Have I worn?
Yeah, that shirt over there.
Yeah, the red one that I wore in my Jeffree Star video.
Yeah. Never have I ever dressed up like an anime character.
Fuck you! Wait, you have? Which one?
White.
Right. Light Yagami. I just think of him as a chubby Light Yagami. Light, I'm a gay.
That's my job. That's my job.
Am I the only straight one in between you two? I mean,
No.
I'm talking to you. Not about to be straight anymore. Not about to be straight anymore.
Oh, hey. Stop.
I am being targeted. I feel so uncomfortable.
Alright, whose turn is it?
I believe it is.
It's yours?
No, it's mine now.
Yeah, it's hers.
Never have I ever gotten an undercut.
This isn't an undercut.
I'm sorry, Sean.
Now you're gonna make. It's pretty much obvious that I have to run out there.
Okay.
Never have I ever got my phone going off during a video.
Oh my god!
What the hell kind of
I'm sorry.
Stop it!
It's my evil laugh.
You want an evil laugh?
That's an evil laugh. Ciao for now.
Guys,
Never have I ever had a polka dot comforter.
this is a blanket.
Comforter, blanket, same thing.
Fuck you.
1, 2, 3.
Easy as ABC.
Nobody told you life was gonna be this way. Never have I ever engaged to someone with a Lord of the Rings ring.
Well, at least I'm not getting a hobbit.
I find this hobbit adorable.
Okay.
Excuse me very much.
He is a lot of things, but I don't know if Harry's feet is adorable.
Okay.
This could mean 2 things. Or, love yourself.
Or.
You have 1 finger left, so.
Okay, in case you guys didn't know, did you guys know that in England this is actually fuck you? Peace
Yeah,
out.
I told you that.
Yay, I learned something from my boyfriend. And just hear the...
You know what, maybe I should just sacrifice myself for the video.
Okay.
No! You don't have to do that.
I'll do this. I'll do it for you and for you.
And if I kiss in front of her, if I kiss her in front of you, will you be mad?
Yes.
Come here.
Jeepers!
Okay.
Okay, wait. You know how Markiplier and Jack had the Subdiplier away? We are Jaybird to the sky.
Yes.
Jaybird to the skies!
Alright, whatever. Never have I ever used jeans.
You're wearing jeans right now.
Exactly! I sacrificed myself. Alright, let's do
Alright.
it! Come on, let's do
Donald
it!
Trump had his
Let's do it!
Woo! Are you ready to make the biggest sacrifice of your life, dear Sean Kun?
I don't know why I'm doing this.
You sacrificed it, but I still love you.
Love you too.
Now get out there.
Ready?
Yeah!
Donald Trump had my babies!
You did it! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and Sean, thank you so much for the sacrifice. Lily, thank you so much for being the best boy ever. So, we'll see you guys later, I guess. We really don't know what kind of video we're planning. Also, there's probably going to be a video on this dude's channel.
Howdy.
Yeah. I'm Jay the Fangirl.
I'm the Padawan Jedi.
That bird, yo. And...
Whoa!
Spider-Man!
Like a freaking cat.
I have cat-like reflexes. And we'll see all you gorgeous people in the next video. Let's all do the pew together. Farewell.
Alright.
I can
I'm-
put my toes together and start a fire sandwich.
Wow.
This is probably I've done more collabs than I ever did, so yay, more videos. Thank you guys.